Hello students, welcome to our English class. So students, today we'll start with lesson number 2 and the name of the lesson is Jack and his friends. So let's begin with the lesson Jack and his friends. It was the last day of school. 4 boys were walking home. Their names were Tim, Jack, Bill and Joe. So it was the last day of school. There were 4 boys named Tim, Jack, Bill and Joe, and they all were walking towards their home. Tim said, "Let's go for fishing on Wednesday if it's a nice day." So when they were walking home, Tim said, "Let's go for fishing on Wednesday." So all the boys agreed. Then they went home. Jack's mother said, "Jack, please go and chop some wood for me." When Jack reached his home, his mother asked him to chop some wood for her. Jack shouted and said, "Let sister go." So his sister went. On Wednesday, Jack was just leaving the house when his father asked, "Where are you going, Jack?" So when he was on Wednesday, he was going for fishing. So his father asked him, "Where are you going, Jack?" Jack answered, "I am going for fishing with the boys." Jack's father said, "No, you disobeyed your mother day before yesterday. So go out into the backyard and chop all the woods in the pile." So when Jack said that he is going for fishing with the boys, his father said, "No, you will not go there. You have to go into the backyard and chop all the wood in the pile." Just then, the boys came along and said, "Come on, Jack, we are going for fishing." And when Jack was going into the backyard, all his friends came and they said, "Jack, come on, we are going for fishing." Jack did not answer, but he just looked at them. Jack did not answer because his father said that he will not go for fishing. Jack did not go. That evening, while the boys were returning home, Tim had fallen into the pond and got all wet. Jack was glad that he has listened to his father, and if he had gone, he might have fallen into the water too. So that day, when all the boys were returning from fishing, Tim got hurt as he had fallen into the pond. So Jack was very glad because he did not go for fishing, and if he would have gone there, he would have fallen into the water. So as he has listened to his father, so he did not go there and he did not fall into the water. So here we come to the end of the story. So in this story, we have learned some new words like fishing. Fishing is the activity of catching fish. Second, nice. Nice means pleasant or attractive. Third, agreed. Agreed means holding the same view. Fourth, chop. Chop means to cut something into pieces. Fifth, living. Living means to go away from. Disobey, not follow the order or guidance. So now I'll tell you hard words. First, fishing. F-I-S-H-I-N-G, fishing. F-I-S-H-I-N-G, fishing. Second, please. P-L-E-A-S-E, P-L-E-A-S-E, please. Third, shouted. S-H-O-U-T-E-D, shouted. S-H-O-U-T-E-D, shouted. Fourth, house. H-O-U-S-E, house. H-O-U-S-E, house. Fifth, backyard. B-A-C-K-Y-A-R-D, backyard. B-A-C-K-Y-A-R-D, backyard. Sixth, fallen. F-A-L-L-E-N, fallen. F-A-L-L-E-N, fallen. Seven, listening. L-I-S-T-E-N-I-N-G, listening. L-I-S-T-E-N-I-N-G, listening. Eighth, living. L-E-A-V-I-N-G, living. L-E-A-V-I-N-G, living. Ninth, before. B-E-F-O-R-E, before. before, before. 10th, disobey, 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 disobey. Write the question and answer. Who was walking home on the last day of school? 4 boys were walking home on the last day of school. Second, what did Jim say to boys? Jim said, let's go for fishing on Wednesday. Who disobeyed his mother? Jack disobeyed his mother. Fourth, why did Jack shout? Jack shouted because Jack's mother asked Jack to please go and chop some wood for her. What did Jack's father say to him? Jack's father said to Jack that you disobey your mother the day before yesterday. Fill in the blanks. 4 boys were dashed home. So the right answer will be walking home. 4 boys were walking home. Second, all the boys agreed to go for dash. So the right answer will be fishing. All the boys agreed to go for fishing. Third, Tim had fallen into the dash. So the right answer will be pond. Tim had fallen into the pond. Fourth, Jack dashed his mother. So the right answer will be disobey. Jack disobeyed his mother. Fifth, on dash, Jack was just leaving the house. So the right answer will be Wednesday. On Wednesday, Jack was leaving the house. So now write true and false. First, Jack said, let's go for fishing on Wednesday. So it is false because Tim said that let's go for fishing on Wednesday. Jim's mother said, Jim, please go and chop some wood for me. So the right answer will be false because Jack's mother said, Jack, please go and chop some wood for me. So children, please write false for this. Jack went to the backyard to chop wood. Yes, it is true. Jack went to the backyard to chop the woods. Jack's father permitted him to go for fishing? No, it is false. Jack's father did not permit him to go for fishing. Joe fell in the pond? No, it is false. Tim fell into the pond. So here we come to the end of the story. Thank you.